Hey guys, welcome back to Garn's Garage. David Garn here. If your check engine light just came on and you scanned a P0420 code, don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you. P0420 is one of the most common trouble codes, and it means your catalytic converter isn't working as efficiently as it should. This can lead to poor engine performance, bad fuel economy, and even a failed emissions test. But before you go replacing your catalytic converter, let's go step by step to figure out what's really causing the issue and how to fix it. Let's jump right in. Alright, so what exactly does P0420 mean? Your car's exhaust system includes a catalytic converter, which helps reduce harmful emissions by converting toxic gases into less harmful ones. Your vehicle has two oxygen sensors, O2 sensors, that monitor the performance of the catalytic converter. The upstream O2 sensor, before the CAT, measures exhaust gases before they enter the catalytic converter. The downstream O2 sensor, after the CAT, measures gases after they pass through the converter. If the ECM, engine control module, detects that both sensors are showing similar readings, it means the catalytic converter isn't cleaning the exhaust properly, which triggers the P0420 code. If your car has a P0420 code, you might notice these symptoms. Check engine light is on, decreased fuel economy, sluggish acceleration or loss of power, rotten egg or sulfur smell from the exhaust, failed emissions test, and possibly a rattling noise from the catalytic converter. If you are experiencing any of these, your catalytic converter or oxygen sensors might be failing. Now let's talk about what causes this code. The most common causes of P0420 is a failing catalytic converter. The converter can become clogged or worn out over time, reducing efficiency. Bad O2 sensors. If either the upstream or downstream oxygen sensor is faulty, it can send incorrect data to the ECM. Exhaust leaks. A crack in the exhaust manifold or pipes can allow extra air in, causing incorrect sensor readings. Rich or lean air-fuel mixture. Issues like faulty fuel injectors, vacuum leaks, or a dirty MAF sensor can impact combustion and damage the catalytic converter and engine misfire or oil consumption. Burning too much oil or running rich can coat the catalytic converter and carbon deposits, reducing efficiency. Understanding these causes helps avoid unnecessary part replacements and saves money. Now let's go step by step to diagnose P0420 properly. Use an OBD2 scanner to see if any related codes, like misfire or O2 sensor issues, appear. Listen for hissing or ticking sounds near the exhaust manifold. Use a smoke test or soapy water to find leaks. Connect an OBD2 scanner and check live data from the O2 sensors. I'll put a link in the description for the scanner I like and use every day. If the downstream sensor fluctuates similarly to the upstream sensor, the catalytic converter isn't working properly. Use an infrared thermometer to measure the temperature before and after the catalytic converter. If the temperature is the same or lower at the exit, the converter may be failing. Look for oil burning, misfires, or fuel mixture problems that could have caused catalytic converter damage. Alright, now let's talk about how to fix P0420. Replace faulty O2 sensors. If your sensors are slow or stuck, replace them first. Fix exhaust leaks. Seal any cracks or damaged gaskets in the exhaust system. Clean or replace the catalytic converter. Try using a catalytic converter cleaner before replacing it. Address engine misfires. Replace spark plugs, ignition coils, or fuel injectors if needed. Fix rich or lean fuel mixture issues. Check for vacuum leaks, dirty mass airflow sensor, or faulty fuel injectors. If your catalytic converter is truly bad, replacing it is the only solution, but make sure to fix the root cause first so you don't ruin the new one. Before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to share some success stories from our community. It's always inspiring to see how you've tackled car issues head-on and saved money in the process. First up, we have Alex from Arizona, with our help, who managed to fix his P0420 code by simply replacing a faulty O2 sensor. He saved over $300 by diagnosing the issue himself. Next, there's Maria from Florida. She discovered an exhaust leak and fixed it with a $20 gasket kit. after watching our videos. Not only did her check engine light go off, but her car also runs smoother now. And finally, we have Raj from New York, who used a catalytic converter cleaner after seeing one of our videos on another channel and decided to try it before considering a replacement. It worked wonders and saved him a ton of money. These stories prove that with the right guidance, you can tackle even the trickiest car problems. If you have a success story to share, drop it in the comments below. Your experience could inspire someone else to take on their repair with confidence. So there you have it. Code P0420 is all about your catalytic converter's efficiency. But before you rush to replace it, remember to check your oxygen sensors, exhaust system, and engine performance. Fixing the root cause first can save you time and money. Quick recap. Check your O2 sensors, replace faulty ones if needed. Inspect for exhaust leaks. Fix any cracks or gasket issues. Clean or replace the catalytic converter. Try a catalytic cleaner before replacing it. Fix fuel mixture issues. Address vacuum leaks, dirty MIF sensors, or bad injectors. Look for engine misfires, worn spark plugs, ignition coils, or excessive oil consumption can ruin a converter. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Garn's Garage for more auto repair tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. If you have any questions about P0420, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.